Hey you guys, and welcome to Time to Unwind. In today's video, we will be discussing how to open a bottle of wine with a key. So say you're sitting at home on a good Saturday night, you got a good bottle of wine, but guess what? You don't have a corkscrew. I done got my bottle of wine and my good old glass. Okay, shit, where my corkscrew at? God damn it. That's my corkscrew. So no worries, I'm going to take you step by step on how to open a bottle of wine without a corkscrew. Please stay to the end of the video and your girl will be right back. Okay, you guys, welcome back. Like I stated, we're going to be discussing how to open a bottle of wine with a key. First off, make sure that you're safe when you're doing this at home if you don't have a corkscrew. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to jump right into the steps. Step one, grab a key. You know, you guys, I really recommend that you use a key that you have an extra copy of because we don't want to be tearing up your original keys. Step two, insert the key at a 45-degree angle into the cork until most of it is inserted into the cork. Step 3, then begin twisting the cork up as pushing up with the key until you get the cork out. Be careful because a weak key has a possibility of breaking and we don't want you to hurt yourself. Step 4, pour and serve. Also, perhaps you have broken the cork. I recommend a metal cork bottle stopper to help save the wine as an alternative. I will also leave the link for that metal cork bottle stopper in the description, the one that I'm recommending. So there you have it, you guys. Those were the steps on how to open a bottle of wine with the key. Like I said once before, be safe when you're doing stuff like this. It's comment time. I would like to know, what is your favorite type of wine? Is it dry, semi-dry, or is it sweet? Let your girl know. And also, don't forget to like and share this video if you found it to be valuable. Also, if you want to find out more information about One Hope, or if you just want to shop with your girl, the link will be in the description as well. Like I stated before, be safe when you're doing this at home. So don't forget to take some time to unwind. Until next time, you guys.